So we went to Rudy this week again with the same thing, seeing a bunch of fish, but nothing's biting. So I've gotten a lot of responses and a lot of questions in the past about my big fish measuring tape. It's a rigid foldable measuring tape, but I make them myself. What we need is measuring stickers like you put on a boat, 2 measuring stickers, a garage sale by owner sign, a Sharpie, a razor knife, duct tape, and gel super glue. That's an important part right there. That duct tape is like a hinge, and it'll hold those 2 pieces from coming apart, and the super glue just kind of really holds it together. And that's the basic part, and then you just put the tape on. And that's it. 48-inch folding rigid kayak measuring tape. See you next week.